Welcome back to Auto Speedster on YouTube, your home for exploring the most fascinating and luxurious vehicles in the world. And today we're diving into something that feels more like a moving 5-star hotel than just a vehicle. This is the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, a machine that redefines travel, lifestyle, and what it truly means to carry your home with you on the open road. When you look at the Prevost, you're not just looking at another motorhome, you're staring at a masterpiece of design, engineering, and comfort combined into a seamless blend of sophistication and performance. The sheer size alone commands attention, but it's the details that make it unforgettable. The 2026 model arrives with a bold exterior presence, featuring sleek aerodynamic contours, premium chrome touches, and lighting systems that make it look like a futuristic luxury liner ready to conquer highways anywhere in the world. Step inside and the world completely transforms. This is not just travel, this is indulgence in motion. The interior has been crafted with the finest materials. Think Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood cabinetry, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that wrap you in endless views while you ride in complete silence thanks to advanced noise-canceling insulation. Everything is carefully thought out to give you that feeling of being in a mansion on wheels. The living area flows seamlessly into a gourmet kitchen fitted with the latest smart appliances, including a built-in induction cooktop, convection oven, hidden refrigerator, and even touch panel controls that sync with your smartphone. It's like carrying your smart home with you, only more refined. And then comes the sleeping quarters. The 2026 Prevost doesn't just offer a bedroom, it offers a retreat. The master suite comes with a king-sized bed, custom mattresses, luxury linens, and climate-controlled comfort at the push of a button. Even the bathroom feels like it belongs in a luxury penthouse, with rainfall showers, heated floors, and designer fixtures that make you forget you're actually inside a motorhome. Technology plays a huge role here too, with integrated AI systems that allow you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even security through voice commands. Multiple large-screen smart TVs, surround sound systems, satellite connectivity, and high-speed 5G internet ensure that whether you're working, relaxing, or streaming, you're always connected. But luxury doesn't come at the cost of performance. Underneath all that style is Prevost's powerful and efficient drivetrain, engineered for smooth, stable, and quiet travel over long distances. Safety is a top priority, with advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision detection, and a full 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering. The ride quality is unmatched, thanks to Prevost's legendary suspension technology that makes every journey feel as smooth as gliding. This 2026 Prevost Motorhome isn't just a way to travel, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a dream realized for those who demand the best of everything. It takes road trips to an entirely new level, where luxury, technology, and performance meet to create the ultimate travel experience. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to have the world at your fingertips while carrying the comfort of your home with you, the Prevost delivers that dream in every mile. This is more than just a motorhome, this is the future of luxury travel, and it's here to take you anywhere you desire.